Hello everyone. Today I have a very useful video for you. If your Android phone is constantly running out of storage space, even though you don't have many apps or photos, hidden junk folders are likely the culprit. I will show you exactly how to find and delete these invisible files to instantly free up a massive amount of memory. Let's get started. First, open your phone's built-in file manager, which is usually called My Files or simply File Manager. To see the hidden junk taking up space, tap the menu icon, usually 3 dots or 3 lines in the top corner of your screen. Select Settings from that menu and turn on the toggle that says Show Hidden System Files or Show Hidden Files. Next, go back to your main file manager screen and tap on Internal Storage to access your device's main memory. Navigate to your DCIM or Pictures folder and look for a faded folder named .thumbnails. This folder secretly stores thousands of tiny copies of every image you've ever viewed. Open this folder, select every single file inside, and hit Delete. Don't worry, this will absolutely not erase your actual saved photos. Now, we need to clear out the hidden copies of photos and videos you have sent through WhatsApp, which silently eat up gigabytes of space over time. From your internal storage, tap on Android, then Media, and open com.whatsapp. Navigate through WhatsApp, tap Media, open WhatsApp Images, and finally open the Sent folder. Select and delete all the duplicate files inside before repeating this exact same process for the WhatsApp Videos folder. Finally, returning to your file manager's main page, scroll down and tap on Trash or Recycle Bin. Tap the 3 dots in the top right corner, select Empty, and confirm. This will permanently delete those files and officially free up your phone's storage. Remember that routinely clearing your app caches in your device's main settings will also help keep your phone running perfectly without those annoying low space warnings. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.